A warm greeting, students. I hope you're safe. Stay home and stay safe. All the best for your next grade. And we'll move into the first chapter in chemistry, metallurgy. So, introduction part. What is metallurgy? Metallurgy, it is the study of extraction of pure metals from its natural source. We know that the metals, they exist in our earth's surface. So the extraction of pure metals from its natural source is known as metallurgy, and it relates science and technology of metals. What is the need to study metallurgy? We know that the ancient people, they used the available material in the environment, such as few metals and fire, and they were limited only to few metals. But in the modern era, we are using a wide range of metals in our daily life. Our need for the materials with specific property have led to the production of many metal alloys. Hence, it is essential to design an eco-friendly metallurgical process that minimize the waste and maximize the energy efficiency. And next is occurrence of metals. So based on the reactivity, metals can be classified into most reactive metal and least reactive metal. We know that all the alkali metals are most reactive, whereas copper, gold, silver and platinum are least reactive. So all the most reactive metals, they'll exist in their combined state. It means that they can be as their oxides, sulfates, sulfides or carbonates. For example, we know that bauxite is an ore of aluminium. So the chemical formula for bauxite is Al2O3.NH2O. Hence, bauxite is an oxide ore of aluminium. Hence, all the reactive metals, they'll be in their combined state. Whereas, a significant amount of the least reactive metal will be in a free state or are said to be as in native state. And what are the terms involved in metallurgy? So the first is mineral. So what is mineral? The naturally occurring substance obtained by mining which contains metal in free form or in combined state is known as mineral. And what is ore? So all the mineral, it contains the metals. Okay. So if the percentage of metal is higher, then it is known as what? Ore. So mineral which contain high percentage of metal that can be extracted conveniently and economically is called as ore. So that's a statement. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Why? So I'll take an example of aluminium. Okay, so bauxite and china clay both are minerals of aluminium. You can see the chemical formula for bauxite is Al2O3.NH2O and for china clay is Al2O3.SiO2.2H2O. So both contains aluminium. But aluminium, it can be extracted from bauxite commercially, while extraction of aluminium from china clay is not a profitable one. Hence, bauxite is an ore of aluminium, whereas china clay is only a mineral but not an ore, because bauxite contains high percentage of aluminium in it, whereas china clay, it contains only a low percentage. And the next term is gangue or matrix. What is gangue? The non-metallic impurities, rocky materials and the siliceous matter associated with ore is called as gangue. Gangue is nothing but impurity. And what is flux? The flux, it is added to reduce the fusion temperature and to remove the impurity. So what is fusion temperature? Melting point is known as fusion temperature. So if you add a substance to reduce the fusion temperature, then that substance is known as flux. And what is slag? So we know that flux is added to reduce the fusion temperature. Okay, so when you add a flux, the gangue, it will combine with flux, that is the impurity will combine with flux to form a fusible product known as slag. So if gangue is acidic, then basic flux is added, and if the gangue is basic, then the acidic flux is added to obtain the neutral slag. And